Hello everyone, this is Team Pushya. I am Divisha and along with me I have Ritik. We are going to present on resourcing strategy. The contents for today's topics are current organizational structure. Is COVID-19 shaping a new organizational structure? Companies need from a candidate post COVID-19 scenario. Changes in the hiring process due to COVID-19. What does the company wants from an IBA student? How can you be ahead of your competitors as an interviewee? Challenges faced by IBA student in getting selected. How IBA student crack the interview at best. Compare the past and the future HR strategy.
Thank you, Divisha. Now coming to the first question of our presentation. What is the current organization structure of Cafe Coffee Day? An organization structure of Cafe Coffee Day outlines how certain activities are directed in order to achieve the goals of Cafe Coffee Day. These activities can include roles, rules, and responsibilities. This organizational structure also determines how information flows between the levels within the company. The organization structure of CCD contains regional head, assistant regional manager, city manager, area manager, cafe manager, assistant cafe manager, and at the end cafe in charge. This organizational structure is based on division of work. Work is divided according to the specialization of employees and increases the output and efficiency of the employees. Each and every employee being trained to perform their task on the basis of their specialization.
Is COVID-19 shaping a new organization structure? Job design. Yes, many of the organizations are indeed reshaping their structure and work culture. Some roles will change, some will redefine, and almost every organization is moving towards digitalization. Digitalization helped in the organization in better customer satisfaction, real-time feedback, and offered various services at just touch points. Talent acquisition. Everywhere layoffs are happening, companies are left with no other options because budgets are quietly limited. But in these tough times, companies are looking for exceptional talent strategically and seize the advantage. Employee engagement. Organizations are having limited budgets. In this crucial time, we should also have to think about employees' engagement and their mental health without spending single dime. Everything has become virtual and it is important to connect with the employees. Getting social with them virtually, it will help in maintaining good health. Employee safety. Employee safety is a major concern of the organizations. Manager would now need to concentrate on making a protected workplace that gives individual certainty to come back to the work premises.
What are the expectations of company from the candidate post COVID-19 scenario? It seems obvious that customers' expectations will change post the pandemic. People will be more particular when it comes to safety, cleanliness, and quality. Potential candidates have to be dynamic as there is uncertainty around the market. The companies will focus more on hiring candidates with diverse skill set as the situation demands flexibility. Not only that, we have already seen traditional office work being shifted to work from home setup. Henceforth, with strong emphasis on digitalization, candidates are expected to be well versed with communication over digital platforms and they need to be tech savvy. Self skills like adaptability, empathy, and time management skills are a must within a candidate. With the sudden change and uncertainty in the market scenario during this time of pandemic, expectations from the recruiter will be at an all-time high. So the candidate must keep himself well equipped with all the skills that he can possess.
Changes in the hiring process due to COVID-19. In-person interviews to video conferencing, telephonic interview. These days, phone and video interviews may be the only way to connect and to screen the qualified candidates. It also helps them to demonstrate their personality. Reviewing resumes on sheet to reviewing the video resumes or LinkedIn profiles. As face-to-face meetings are not possible, companies can increase the frequency of its outreach via email, phone calls, and SMS conversations. The job search can be stressful already, and job seekers are more anxious during the COVID-19 outbreak. To deal with that, companies should make messages as personal, transparent, and helpful as possible. And nowadays, HR will review the resumes online like LinkedIn. Physical socialization of new employees to virtual boarding of new employees. Facilitate background checks and post-interview assessments and other pre-employment screenings online rather than in person. Some companies are using VR technologies to give candidate a tour of facilities and regular video conferencing is important.
Next comes the question, what does the company want now from an IBS student? The company wants to see the adaptability of the candidates to the recent tough times that everyone is facing. They would also want to know what new things the student would bring to the table once they get recruited. The recruiters will also be interested to know about the long-term objectives of the student towards the organization. They would also like to know if the student is tech savvy and comfortable with online mode of communication, because that is the need of the hour. Next comes the question, how can you be ahead of the competitors? The candidate, by having a thorough knowledge about the company, would surely give him a competitive edge over its competitors. We need to work hard on our strength and work even harder on our weaknesses to stay ahead of the competition.
Challenges faced by IBA student in getting selected. Lack of traditional internship knowledge. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, the current batch of the student is unable to get into a corporate internship. Due to this, they will lack field knowledge and the exposure and the experience which they would have gained out of it. Practical working is missing for the batch. This may be a challenge during the selection for the job, as many of them are freshers. Intense competition. Another challenge would be competition among the batchmates. Everyone wants to get in their dream company, but due to pandemic, companies might reduce their hiring ratio and it will result into intense competition. Digital interviews. As people are afraid to step out of their homes, so maybe companies can have digital interviews rather than coming to the campus. These will really change the way students prepare, and more challenges will come on their side because they don't know on what basis will the companies do recruitment. Certifications won't give an edge over. Previously, during some online courses with academics used to give an edge over other students, but due to the lockdown, students have got sufficient time to do all these certifications, and the same thing being done by everyone won't create any differentiation.
How will the IBS student crack the interview at their best? During the pandemic, many companies have stopped hiring, and those still hiring have moved to online job interviews. So we should be mentally ready to give online interviews from our home. We should set our interview space, choosing a well-lit room with minimum distractions, and we should make sure we have good internet connectivity. During the interview, we should also look as presentable and professional as possible to the interviewers. We should be active all the times and avoid daydreaming during the interview process. There will be times when we might face some audio delays due to poor network. We should ask the interviewer politely to repeat himself rather than jumping to conclusions based on wrong information. We need to maintain proper body language by sitting up straight while speaking to the interviewer. We should also try to maintain proper eye-to-eye contact with the interviewer so that we look as attentive as possible to the interviewer, thus enhancing our chances of getting selected.
Past and the future HR strategy. Previously, establishing such competitive advantage is one of the important goals of any company, increasing the productivity and revenue of the organization by timely rewards and appreciation to the employees. Considering the legal obligation and implementation of POSH for women's safety, continuously researching the market and competition, building relations, and conducting joint ventures with other bodies across the globe and taking measures for the same. Future HR strategy will be, companies are planning to reduce compensation on a temporary basis. Companies are doing competency mapping of their employees and exploring the possibility of transferring some of their employees to other divisions and locations wherever there is demand. Due to the expected economic downturn, the majority of the companies are holding both increments and promotion of the employees. They believe that they should extend all the possibilities help to this set of employees who are left out.
To conclude our presentation, I would like to say that the coronavirus pandemic has forced tens of millions to work from home. Organizations are now having to deal with entirely new spectrum of issues, much of it having to do with mental health issues of the employees. Most big corporations has taken substantial pay cuts to help the company to stay afloat. They have also resorted to layoff strategies to ensure sustainability. Companies should be quick to adopt the work from home model using video calling and virtual meeting platforms, providing remote working technology to employees and setting tasks and deadlines in practical ways as possible. Similarly, there is a need for the students to prepare themselves accordingly. With that being said, this has been Ritik Shaw alongside my teammate Divisha signing off for the day. Thank you.